So hey everyone, we have been hearing about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 for a while now. We know a little bit about the device, but we are not sure how Samsung will tweak the design this time. While here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets its first peek. In collaboration with Smart Breaks, Reliable Leakster On Leaks has released the first 3D CAD renderings of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The next foldable phone includes a triple camera arrangement on the back. According to the leaked pictures, the design of the next Samsung foldable appears to have altered slightly at the first sight. The most notable difference is at back, where the independently protruding camera lenses replace the circular camera housing found on the Z Fold 3. The cameras are now more similar to those seen on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The folding hinge has been kept, but the squeeze markings have significantly decreased, suggesting that Samsung may have solved the code. Aside from that, there aren't many design modifications. In terms of size, the Ice Universe has demonstrated how it would seem in comparison to the Z Fold 3, which is a little squarish. Samsung doesn't appear to have made many modifications, especially since there wasn't much to complain about. However, as we saw with the Oppo Find N, the form factor might have been modified to make it broader rather than taller. An under-display selfie camera will be apparently returned to this inner display, a feature that disappointed us on last year's handset. This year's edition is said to have improved performance, which is much needed. Moving on, the Ice Universe, a reliable source, has predicted that the Z Fold 4 will be lighter in weight this time. The current Z Fold 3 weighs 271 grams, which is a bit hefty for a smartphone. He even shared a photo of an iPhone 13 Pro Max on a weight machine, claiming that it weighs less than this. Samsung appears to be focusing on the weight balance for a better in-hand experience. There is no trace of the S Pen stylus built-in slot, which earlier claimed will be included in this year's foldable. The Z Fold 3 supported the S Pen, however there was no built-in slot for it, thus buyer has to purchase a phone cover to keep it. According to the report, the screen dimensions of the Z Fold 4 will be somewhat different from last year's, with an inside screen that is a fraction of an inch larger and an outside display that is a fraction of an inch smaller. There is no official words on when the Z Fold 4 will be revealed, although reports suggest it will happen in August or September. For comparison, the Z Fold 3 was released early August of last year. So what are your thoughts on the Z Fold 4? Let me know in the comments below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.